Happy Sunday, friends and families. How are you all doing? It's your girl Estelle, and I hope you all having a great day. Yep. So I'm back this week with a new video to share with you guys. It's grilled chicken wings using my homemade African style spicy sauce. Yum. So the video you are looking at right now is the video of the spicy sauce that I've made, and I have already uploaded the video and it's on YouTube right now. So if you want to see the full video about how I have made this yummy spicy sauce, I will link the video at the end of this video so you can see how I have done it. So my friends, enjoy the video while I show you how to make these yummy spicy chicken wings. So to get started, I've got 2 kilograms of chicken wings, and as you guys can see, I have created some cuts through the chicken, and that is to allow my sauce to soak well with the chicken. And next is my homemade spicy sauce, which I am going to use to marinate the chicken. And next is some salt to taste, which is entirely optional as the marinade has already got some salt. And this is all you will need to make your spicy chicken wings.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a...
Okay guys, now it's time to marinate our chicken. So first I am going to remove the oil that I've used to preserve the sauce using a clean dry spoon. Then followed by using the sauce to marinate the chicken, followed by giving it a good mix. And once it's well mixed, I'm going to cover it and set it aside for at least 2 hours.
Good day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
Okay guys, so while the chicken is marinating, I am going to pour back the oil I removed earlier on onto the sauce, and that would help to preserve the sauce for later use.
Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Next, it's been 2 hours since our chicken is marinating, so it's time to give it another good mix, followed by taking it to the grill.
Savannah.
Okay guys, before I start to grill, I just want you guys to know I'm using an electric grill, and if you are also using an electric grill indoors, make sure to turn your fans on and also open your windows for good ventilation. And once your electric grill has come to a temperature, use some oil to give it a wipe to make sure your electric grill is well coated. Then place your chicken skin side down, and you should hear some nice sizzle.
It's gonna come.
So after putting all the chicken onto the grill, you wanna cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes. Or they have that beautiful brown color on the skin. Yum yum.
The birds have just begun. We will please take a stand for the people, for
Okay guys, while the chicken skin begin to looks brown and almost looking cooked, drizzle a bit of water in between the chicken, as that would help to generate moisture as it cooks.
the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
Et voila guys, there you have it. Our grilled chicken is done. As you guys can see, our chicken is cooked, looks crispy from the skin and moist from the inside. Yum. Okay guys, now that the chicken is cooked, I'm going to turn the heat off and let it rest for 10 minutes. And after the chicken has rested, it would be time to start serving. Yay! I am serving this with fried sweet potatoes wedges and some curly fries. But you could serve this with anything and it will taste absolutely delicious. Yum. Alright friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.